Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a FTP user, a new FTP user on DreamHost hosting. So once you are logged into your DreamHost, you want to go ahead and click on websites and SFTP users and files. Now you will see your FTP user right there, but what you want to click, of course, is create a user. Now you want to, again, create username, server, choose a server, for example this one, and password. And once you've done that, you can also generate a strong password. You can also enable SSH, which you want to choose from. I'm not going to do that now. And you just basically click create user. And now, as you can see, it's generating user, so you need to wait a little bit. And now, once it's generated, now as you can see, you have another SFTP user. Here you can actually see your username, host, and the password cannot be seen here, but basically you just created it. So yeah, that's how you created an FTP user on DreamHost. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.